Hey guys, it's Olivia from Hands and Head Kids and Laura, my very helpful helper. And today we're going to be making slime. So I'll quickly go through what we have to make slime. So we have Elmer's magical liquid, some Elmer's glue, a mixing bowl, a mixing spoon, and like a measuring cup, so we can
measuring cup.
So we will first put in glue, right? So we both have our each. Laura's going to use pink metallic glue, and I'm going to use turquoise glow in the dark glue.
And you use the half of the bottle
Yeah.
and pour the maybe just like this.
Yeah, so I'm going to use half of this. Just half.
You're okay.
It's not really coming out easily.
It is coming out.
How do you? Oh my god, mine's so hard.
Mommy, can you come
No,
out?
shh.
Help me.
Can you do it? Can you try mine?
Okay.
It doesn't.
Mommy, how are
Work.
you doing this?
Maybe just open the whole lid.
Oh yeah. How we can just take the whole lid off. Didn't think
This
about
one?
that. This is much easier.
Should we put all of these?
No, half
It's just enough.
Yeah, I think it is.
is.
Just for
I think
try.
mine's.
Oh, that's enough.
Okay. Mummy, is that enough?
Like this much.
Mommy, thank you
That's.
for helping me.
That's.
Now,
So like to put this. You know we need Elmer's. Why do you put more? But Laura said stop. Oh yeah, why do I listen to her?
Oh yeah, you
I don't think there are any more.
You don't listen to me.
Left. Oh, stop. So now, put a bit of Elmer's magical liquid. Okay, you need to take this. So we're going to put about what? No, I want to use it. It's going to be easier. Oh my god, Mom, careful.
Just use that one first, and we'll see how it.
All of it?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I'm just going to put half of that in.
Okay. And use the half.
And then I'm
Mix.
going to mix it for now.
It takes time, I think.
Yeah. We've made this before for my birthday party.
I think this is not working. Before my
So-
birthday party came out, it's not it. I mean, I think this is too gooey. I think we need to put more of these.
No.
Oh my god, it smells so weird. I have glitter in mine. When it's glow in the dark. I don't feel it. Oh, it's too watery.
Put more.
Do we need to put more in to make it more watery? I mean, less watery.
We need to put more of these.
No. It's still.
You only
lots
used a
of-
little bit of glue. I used quite a lot.
Should I put a little bit more?
Yeah, put more. Mine's
If it's
quite good.
so liquid, and
Liquidy?
you need to put more magical liquid
So,
to make fun.
to make
Oh,
what?
this is kind of working.
I'm doing it with my hands now.
Okay. Mommy,
Well, do it with your hands. It's much easier, and you need to feel how it's going.
yeah,
So we don't really need this.
It's yuck. My mama, yuck.
Can I feel it?
Yeah, it's very yuck.
Oh my god. You put too much water in it.
I know, I need to put more.
There's no water in it.
I mean the magical liquid.
Mommy, should I put
Mine
more
feels
glue?
good. Mine feels good.
Mommy, should I put more glue? And please.
Do it. Try.
Mommy, should I put
No,
more
mix
glue?
first. Mix.
Mommy,
This
should I?
is. Mine's going okay.
Mommy, should I put? Okay.
No, you don't need to.
I think we need to because it's too gluey.
No, we need to put more magical thing in if it's too watery.
Yeah.
Even though that's water. I just believe in my mom.
Oh yeah.
Mine's good. Mine's good.
It works.
Can I take it out of the bowl?
Yeah.
Mine's not good. Yeah. Coco, don't eat that.
Mom, pick it up. Coco, good.